In today's world where environmental concerns are at the forefront of many people's minds, sustainability isn't just a buzzword, it's a business imperative. For roofing contractors, this means that aligning with eco-friendly practices is crucial, not only for the planet, but also for your bottom line. Ignoring this trend could leave you trailing behind competitors who grasp the importance of green solutions. We are bighomeprojects.com. We built a directory to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and help contractors find work. So, let's dive into how sustainability can transform your roofing business marketing strategy and why it matters now more than ever. Number 1. Attract eco-conscious customers. More and more homeowners are looking for businesses that share their values, especially when it comes to the environment. When you offer sustainable options like recycled materials or green roofing, you catch the attention of a niche market willing to invest in eco-friendly choices. Share your sourcing stories and the benefits of your materials on your website and social media to build trust. Number 2. Enhance brand reputation. Your commitment to sustainability can elevate your brand above the competition. Highlighting your eco-friendly practices in your marketing materials builds credibility and positions you as a leader in sustainable roofing. Getting certified by recognized organizations like LEED showcases your dedication and makes a significant impact on your reputation. Number 3. Reduce operating costs. Implementing sustainable practices can lead to long-term savings. Think about investing in energy-efficient machinery or optimizing your supply chain to cut waste. These savings can be passed on to customers, making your services more competitive without sacrificing quality. Number 4. Foster community engagement. Engaging with your community through sustainability initiatives boosts your marketing efforts. Organize workshops or participate in local cleanup drives to show that you're serious about making a difference. Partnering with schools or eco-groups can create lasting relationships and enhance your brand's visibility. Number 5. Expand service offerings. Sustainability opens the door for you to diversify your services. Consider adding solar roofing or green roof installations to meet the growing demand for sustainable living. Upselling these options to existing customers not only broadens your range, but also positions you as a go-to provider for eco-friendly home improvements. Number 6. Improve customer education. Educating your customers on the benefits of sustainable roofing is key. Use simple language to explain how green roofs can improve energy efficiency or how certain materials contribute to insulation. Create engaging content like blog posts and infographics to reach wider audiences and showcase your expertise. Number 7. Build long-term customer loyalty. Showing genuine efforts towards sustainability can create loyal customers who are likely to return and refer others. Encourage feedback on your practices and be transparent about ongoing improvements, fostering a sense of partnership that strengthens relationships. As we move forward, keep an eye on the ever-evolving landscape of eco-friendly solutions in roofing. The demand for sustainable options is only going to grow, and businesses that adapt will thrive while those that don't may face dire consequences. For more insights into connecting with sustainable roofing professionals, visit bighomeprojects.com. We help homeowners find trusted contractors who prioritize eco-friendly practices, ensuring that everyone can contribute to a greener future together.